va danser.
Konnichiwa. My name is Sandora Sensei. Today I will be teaching you how to make sushi like a pro.
She's a runner, she's a track star.
Step 1. Make sushi rice. First take a bowl. Put rice in the bowl. You should use freshly made rice.
Light, fluffy, delicious.
To make sushi rice, you put a little bit of rice vinegar.
So this is a pretty strong drink.
Your sushi master should do this for you. Fold vinegar into rice.
6.5 hours later.
Set aside. Step 2. Prepare ingredients for sushi. Today we will be making maki sushi, which is the rolled sushi. I'm using one of America's favorite ingredients. Freedom! Salmon. I suggest that you pick very orange salmon. It means that it's more fresh.
It's raw!
Use a good knife to make sure that you cut this very smoothly. Look at the color.
I don't see color.
Most people do not like the skin of the salmon, so we will leave that out of the sushi for now. Now I will slice this. Make sure you take out the bones. Now make the sushi. The first thing that you will need is a rolling bamboo mat to roll the sushi. The next is a piece of nori. You can see that the nori has lines here, and you want to roll them in the direction of the lines, not against them. There will be a small portion of the line where it's not quite equal. That one will go towards the end. So now you will take some sushi rice and place this over the sushi roll. You can use your hands as well, but I'm sophisticated, so I don't.
The woman was too stunned to speak.
Make sure that you do not put rice at the very edge of one side, but you cover all of it, but one part remains no rice. Step 2, put the salmon on the sushi. You do not want it at the very end, but towards the middle is good. You want to make sure every bite has a lot of salmon on it. Perfect.
Fucking delicious.
Now, let's roll.
I feel so happy right now.
Taking the back with the nori, you will fold it over the ingredients. Once you fold it over, lightly apply pressure to make sure that it sticks. Then gently unroll the bamboo part. Roll the rest of the sushi and then apply pressure over the whole roll of sushi. There is your maki. Sometimes, if you overfill or oversqueeze, the filling will come out the sides. First, cut it in half. Keep it smooth. Cut the half in half and cut the half of the half. Look at the salmon.
And you know what? What was that?
It looks just like a store. Wow. Lastly, how to eat sushi. Traditionally, we eat sushi with a little bit of wasabi. Put a little bit of wasabi, and then we will take some soy sauce, product of Japan.
Drink.
Now using your chopsticks, take a little bit of wasabi and mix it in with the soy sauce, just like so. Take one of your sushis, look at it.
Look at me.
Look at me!
Gently dip it. You don't want to dunk it. This is not soup, and enjoy. Thank you so much for making sushi with me. Now you can be a sushi chef. Arigato gozaimasu.
La mer, qu'on va danser le long des galets.